Hey everyone, it's Logic X. Welcome back to another video. So I'm going to be doing a video here for Starrylock's recent giveaway, his hashtag I want Starry's dimples, and I'm going to be picking this American Lock 1100. It's been a while since I've done an 1100 on the channel here, so I thought it might be nice. We're going to get this one clamped up in the vise here. These American locks have very, very fine feedback, and putting it in a vise makes it so much easier to feel. Alright, we're going to use top of the keyway with this heavy bar from Sparrows and my favorite go-to pick. Okay, we got some binding on one, we got a good click, got another click, and I think that one's set. Got a good click on two, I think that's all it's going to give us. We got a good click on three, feels set. I don't think 4 is binding, and I don't think 5 is binding. Let's go back to the beginning. Okay, we got another good click on 1. Very good click on 1. Still can't feel anything binding, so I'm going to ease off some tension. Got 2 clicks on 1. Got another click on 2. Got a good click on 3. Okay, 4 is binding. Got a good couple clicks. Oh! We dropped into a false set. Thought it was open, but not quite. We're in a false set. Okay, we got counter rotation on 5. I think I got that set, but I've lost my false set. Okay, I might have overset 5, so we're going to ease off tension a little bit. There we go. Alright, we got that picked. Might as well get this just for fun as well. So we'll get that screw out of there. Grab ourselves a pinning tray. C-clip off of there. And yeah, that's the right size follower, I think. Close enough at least. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We'll get those drivers out. So number 1 is a spool. Number 2 is a spool. Number 3 is serrated. Get the rest out from the back. 5 is a spool. And 4 was serrated. Alright, so that's all I have for you on this lock. If you like what you saw, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Good luck to everyone else who's entering into the giveaway, and don't forget to have a good one.